Jaggy Jag and me had a sleepover. Little ferocious. Because I wanted to see how he would do with one-on-one human time. Because usually I do this with them, but I haven't been able to because of the ringworm. But it's very sweet and snuggly. He was under the bed at first, and when I got down on the floor, he came out. And super snuggly. Quite a little snuggle bunny. Yeah, I do want a special little snuggle bunny. Laugh like it's so ferocious. Evening theater. But he was definitely lonely for his Siberia. Because he would, even after he would come snuggle, and then he would go do a lap in the room, and just cry and cry and cry like he was looking for his Siberia. So then I came down and got him around like 2 or 3 in the morning. So he scooped the Siberia. Here, you want this? And then he was, you should have seen it. I wish I had the mental prowess at 3 in the morning to videotape it, because he was so happy to see him. And then they slept together and ignored me for a while. Hi, Bobbles. Cute. You're little princess. Oh, little Margaret. Oh, you're so pretty. So Siberia is still upstairs. I think it will do them good to get used to bigger room, more space. I'm hoping it will help them. They're still they can be pretty elusive in the bigger space. So I'm hoping that I can let them out more and they can start to get more comfortable. They're super snuggly when you capture them, but you have to kind of, it takes a little bit of patience. Oh, la, can you throw some Botox? So the people that were going to come and look at Ocelot had something come up and are not going to be able to adopt at this time, which is unfortunate. So Ocelot, I'm going to have to go through it and see what, I don't think we have any more applications. So, and I think that Kayla from Labs is coming by today to do vaccines on them. It's been a little bit busy, so I'm like very behind on emails, and I don't know what's going on really right now. So I really need like a day to catch up, but I think that's in the cards for me. That's okay though. Eventually, all will come out. But my priority has been trying to get these guys cleared for adoption and then get the application, get them processed and stuff. But lots of logistical challenges associated with that. It'll take a lot of time. Right, everybody? So, today's going to be another busy day. Tomorrow is going to be a busy day. I know, I would let you out. I'm trying to let your brothers adjust, get more comfortable with the home environment. They're the ones that I'm more worried about. I'm trying to move this, and it's hard to move. There's a kitten on it. Do you guys have fun with this? Oh, honey. Oh, what do you think there? So the only problem with having kittens out in the house is that I can't leave food out for them because obviously the bunny, the delightful bunny, will help herself and eat it all. So I have to then, do feeding times, keep it separate, and that's a bit challenging when they're elusive like the Jaggy Jag. Oh, he's so special. Once you get him, he's just so snuggly. You're just purring and purring and purring and crawling all over me and snuggling and making biscuits, Macy style. But once he gets out into the big open house, he's like, what is this? And he makes a run for it. And hides under the couch. And then every now and then I'll see him scampering from one safe spot to another. Oh, it's your brothers. And you sit there. Here's your meat eater. Miss Gator had a nice poo. Late last night. Hi. And so it's a good sign as long as he's pooing. That means they're still moving. And he hasn't been throwing up. How are you coming? Really? He's so really. Are you good? The instigator was funny when he was out of the house because you would just see this like puffy, fuzzy flash with a big long fuzzy tail scamper by, and then he would suddenly realize he was lonely and do some crying, and then I would say, hey, instigator, and he would come over, rub against my legs a few times, and then he'd be off to his next adventure. Oh, here. So, oh shoot, I was going to bring down the whiteboard and put the vote link on there. Oh, there goes Panther Camp. He doesn't even have to try. He doesn't even have to try to escape. Why don't you want to stay and hang out with your little friends? Let's see what bubbles. I need this cuckoo. I need to get this whiteboard. And big bubbles and snuggles. A little bubble. What an adorable little bubble. Oh, so cute. I can move him in. Say hi to Neil if he's watching. Hi, Neil. You get to see your brothers say hi. It's really exceptional. What? Oh, Scampy. There goes Scampy Camp. Oh, uh-oh. I don't know if he's going to be able to do this. He is so good. Scampy Camp is, he will come out when I come downstairs, so it's not such a big deal for him to escape. But he's easy to capture. Jaggy Jag, Puma Perman. Some of these guys don't want to be captured. Oh. Oh, you also want to watch. You need your brothers to see. You need someone who needs some racing. Oh, look at the tummy. Look at the tummy of all this. Oh, you're so cute. I should go check on Siberia. He's having his snack upstairs. And I need to get the sign. Oh, you didn't see. Are you so sad? I want to find Olive's tail. He's over there. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do that. So everyone can see how cute the bobber is. See this purring. Oh, such beautiful little bobber. So to vote, it's tinykittens.com/vote. I don't know how this happened, but somehow between 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. my time, we went from tied for second place to behind by like 0.11%, which is a lot. So somehow, and I know that we actually got more votes yesterday than we've gotten in at least a week. So I don't know how we managed to pull that off. Because that's like a huge increase. Oh, candy pants. Oh, goodness. Woo, sorry. Sorry. Kittens. Are you okay, Puma Herman? I squashed Puma Herman. Come here. I was trying to rescue Panther as he was trying to get back in. I was trying to save my laptop. And now Puma Herman is dead. Puma Herman, come here. Come here. I almost squashed you. You know, you get a hug now, whether you want one or not. You're going to get a hug. Yes, I didn't need to step on a chicken. Herman got smushed. 0.11, 0.11, yes. So, yeah, so I don't know how that happened with the voting, but because that would have to be like, that's a lot of votes that they would have had to get in a very short amount of time. So they must have somehow gotten like 2,000 people to vote. Okay, so that's good. We're back to 0.09. But we've only got a week, I think, left to go. Oh, we have less. We have 5 days. We have 4 days, really. So we have 4 days to win this. So we have to really pick up pace. 5 days. I don't know. Something like that. So, I know there have definitely been posts and comments on my site about them having like 6 accounts and voting multiple times. So it would be unfortunate if we lost because of that. But I guess at the end of the day, everybody is using the money to save animals, so that's a good thing. It's just unfortunate it's not all above board. All right, I'm gonna go get the sign, and then I will be back. Hi, Panty Pants. You're such a good boy. You're a little good boy. Okay. You've been working on escaping, Mr. How fast before they erase this or destroy it? I know I'm going to have to tape it to something and then see. And you'll never be able to read it because there's always going to be kittens in front of it. That's kind of adorable though. Maybe I should post a picture of that. Of course, I don't have back. He's here, litter box. Hi, Mommy. He's back. Now he gets tackled by Ocelot. Hi, Candy. Can't resist a good litter box to continue. Oh, Lisa. You can't jump that high. You just can't jump as high as everybody else because you're fluky. You're too fluky. You're too fat to fly. Now I have to fix my sign. Oh my goodness. Oh, this madness. I can't agree. Alright. So I'm actually going to do this a bit. And we're going to tape it somewhere. Kittens. No. I probably should. Just because you're frustrated that you can't get over the fence. Oh, the sadness. Oh, wings together. Oh, the instigator will be less sad. Now, where's all my tape? Oh, the tape. The bubbles. So, let's see, where can I put this? Where it will be seen, but not climbed. Oh, there are so many photos in here. Seen, not climbed, and not knocked over. I think okay, so I can tape it. Can you read that? It's way tiny, right? Can you tell me if that's readable? I know I usually get, I don't know where my tape is, I find it. Or where someone who escaped put my tape. It's no longer reachable. Newt, you know what, Kathy can, if you are going to escape, you do it the old-fashioned way. No. Alright, there's the tape. Okay. Scampy pants just come and go as you speak. And it just frustrates the instigator. He can't do it. He just gets so frustrated. Poor little instigator. How long before this gets completely destroyed? I don't know, maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. Let me move it closer. But not so close that they can use it to as a launching point. Is that better to read? Can you read it? Oops, let me take it a little bit closer. Oh, an instigator. Oh my goodness. What a sad little lynx. Oh. I feel like he's sensing a new escape route. Yeah, no, look at him. He's already preparing for launch. Look at him. Oh, naughty. No. Oh, Why do I not have my camera when I need it most? Bottles. Thanks. Here, are you gonna do some embarrassing jumping? I'm gonna go this way. This goes on here for some fun. If he's thinking about it. Oh, Lynx the gator. That was not even close. That was just embarrassing. Oh, poor Lynxie. That was embarrassing, wasn't it? I know. You get an E for effort. You get an E for effort. You try so hard. All right, so we'll see if we get more votes. It would be nice if we did. Oh, my God, that is too. That too. This isn't counting. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go see how severe it's doing. I need to bring the Jaggy Jag with me. If he's skiing, so. Look at that handsome cougar. Oh, that handsome cougar. Oh, who will come in? I should make the sign higher so you can see it over the kitten. Move it up. Now that I've heated it so much. Kittens is out. Thank you, Panther. Oh, Panty Pant, what'd you do? Good deal. Oh, it's okay. Boogie. Oops, I'm sorry, I didn't get the head. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna let you out. Okay. You just wait. This is gonna last for at least like a minute, maybe two. Just you wait. Okay. Where did my, oh, of course, that crash also was the marker crashing, so I can't do that. I know, it is going to be down before supper time. What's going on, everybody? Oh, Bubbles. Hi, Bubbles. Okay. Alright. He's so sad. He's the saddest little lynx you'll ever see. You just want to be home, don't you? Alright, I'm taking Jaggy Jag back upstairs with me to do some I know, I see you. To do some human training. Hey, we're burning. I wish I could take you too. But first, I'm going to get. Ooh, look at this, so much crashing. I've got some here. Alright. He's a determined little bugger. Okay. Me and Jaggy Jag are gonna go visit Siberia upstairs. Jaggy Jag. Yeah. Sorry. Oh my goodness, Mr. Gator. Maybe I'll come for you. Why is everybody else being so good? You're okay. Oh no. You need to practice the jumping on. Alright, I shall return in a bit. Oh, you know what else I can do? Whoops. Oh, no. Alright, I'm gonna reset the stream and put the link in the thing, so stand by. Here, Jaggy, wait for me. right, so I'll be right back. Resetting.